The Garvee 88-key electronic keyboard offers a full range of semi-weighted keys that feel close to an acoustic piano, making it a strong choice for serious practice at home or on the go. Its portable, folding-friendly design and relatively lightweight make it easy to carry in the included case between lessons, rehearsals, and small apartments or dorm rooms. The keyboard comes as a complete setup with a stand, sustain pedal, headphones, and power adapter, so a new player can start practicing immediately without hunting for extra accessories. Semi-weighted keys with consistent resistance help beginners build proper finger strength while still satisfying more experienced players who used to traditional piano action. The bundled sustain pedal and closed-back headphones create a surprisingly immersive playing experience, allowing expressive dynamics while keeping practice sessions quiet for others nearby. Straightforward controls and an uncluttered layout make this instrument approachable for first-time learners, yet flexible enough for adult players refining their technique.